Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Nakaka-turn off ba sa lalaki kapag hindi na virgin ang babae? Hi, I'm 23, female. Recently, my ex broke up with me because he found out that I'm no longer a virgin. At first, he said na tanggap niya dahil ang mahalaga naman daw ay naging honest ako. Then one time, he wanted to have sex with me. Mind you, this was just 1 week into our relationship. And I said, I'm not yet ready. I thought he would understand because I wanted our relationship to be genuine and not just about lust. But I saw the disappointment on his face nung hindi ako pumayag. After 3 days, naging cold na siya. He started to bring up my past and he said na nate-turn off siya sa akin. He said na he wanted to focus on himself muna. Hahanapin daw niya yung sarili niya. To be honest, hindi naging masakit sa akin na we broke up. Ang masakit sa akin is yung part na pakiramdam ko hindi na ako kamahal-mahal just because I gave it to the wrong person before. Something na hindi ko na mababawi dahil nangyari na. Isa pa, pakiramdam ko, yun na lang ba ang habol ng mga lalaki ngayon? I guess nasaktan ng ego ng ex ko na naibigay ko ang pagkababae ko sa past ko at sa kanya hindi ko agad naibigay. So I'm asking, nakaka-turn off ba sa lalaki kapag hindi na virgin ang babae? Or nasaktan lang ang ego ng ex ko dahil hindi ako pumayag?